None of us have time in the mornings, but that doesn't mean we can't eat well. Here are 4 fantastic breakfast ideas. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to make better choices, we've got you covered. First up, overnight oats, a no-cook, nutrient-dense breakfast. Just mix rolled oats, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and your favorite fruits or nuts. Let it sit overnight and voila! A nutritious breakfast is ready when you wake up. Next, let's whip up a vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend bananas, berries, and almond milk. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. It's a feast for your eyes and your body, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Craving something savory? Try whole grain avocado toast. Mash ripe avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add a poached egg if you're feeling fancy. Healthy fats and fiber will keep you going all morning. Lastly, the Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits, nuts, and granola. High in protein and probiotics, it's a delicious way to kickstart your day. So there you have it, delicious, nutritious, and quick breakfast ideas perfect for any busy morning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy tips. Here's to starting your day right.